Hey, hey, I gotta tell you something. This is really gonna crack you up. You got, you ever, you ever had a bad day where you gotta have your your automobile repaired? Man, I'm telling you wouldn't believe it. I had a terrible days, many terrible days. Oh, I gotta get this inspected. I gotta get it inspected and stuff. And what am I gonna do and stuff like that? Well, I'm just gonna let the goddamn cops give me a ticket and stuff like that. I don't care anymore. You know, you've been in that boat, right? Haven't you? Oh yeah. Well, let me tell you about something. We got a new auto service that's gonna take care of you, and we're called R&A Auto. We're located on 607 Gotham Street, Watertown, New York, 13601. Our phone number is 315-294-4705. And we only charge $50 labor charge. What do you think of that? It's back in the 80s, isn't it? You know why? Because we enjoy doing the work. We don't have an overhead of having a bunch of people that are working on our cars. Some of them, a lot of the other garages, don't even know what the heck they're doing. They screw up. And then they have to have their big shot mechanic come in. Oh, you know, it's got to be done this way and that way, and then it takes more time. Why? I said to myself, why can't we have a garage that has two people that can take care of the whole god darn system for less than the cost? So they're not charging us arm and a leg. It's ridiculous. So you know, we started it. It's R&A Auto Repair. 607 Gotham Street, Watertown, New York, 13601. 315-294-4705. $50 labor costs plus parts. You could pay for the parts yourself, or we'll go to the lowest cost auto parts center, not the highest cost like these other goddamn garages charge, which is freaking ridiculous, because I've been there, done that. I'm not going through it again, and I know you don't want to go through it again. So we're going to deal with it. We're going to fight. And what the deal is, we are going to deal with this fight, and this fight is going to end. And here's the card. And read it. And I'm going to give you a few seconds to read this. Okay. Don't forget us. We're going to be plastered all over the internet by the time we get done. And you're going to be our customers. And you're going to love us. Because you're not going to forget us. I already got customers that's already coming to us. And they're not going to forget us. You know why? Because we love you. And we care about you. These other ones, they don't care. Oh, it's all about the money. Make it rich. Get rich. No. Nobody gets rich but us. We are going to be able to develop our lives and to live our lives without having to worry about our car going down in the goddamn dirt. When our car goes down, who are you going to call? You're going to call us. And that's R&A Auto. That's who you're going to call. R&A Auto. Who are you going to call? R&A Auto. Who are you going to call? Not Ghostbusters. R&A Auto. Thank you very much. And we love your business. Thank you.